I got those from another creator, Digital Girl Amanda. She offers that in her profile. You can check that out. Great value. So these birds on the cliffs, those are cormorants. I don't know if you can see them. I can't see them very well in my camera. Oh, and that's interesting, all the people on the cliff there, because I thought that was an area where you can't go, or you shouldn't go, because it's slippery and the cliffs are unstable. Look at how clear the water is. Can you see that? Yeah, Charnel, you should check it out. It's really reasonably priced. I think, oh good, enjoy your day. They were, I think it was $10 for 15 stickers is the package that I got. And then she has other packages. So you could get 15, 20, 30, something like that. But I just described to her what I wanted. But you know, in this profile, you can only put a certain number of stickers. I had way more than 15. She delivered way more than 15, but I can't put them all up. So I did do a post about them as well. So you could check that out and see that. Okay, let's walk a little more. Good morning. Oh, and this, I think, is the back of where Sunny Jim's cave is. See those rocks right there? And then I'll show you the houses. We just have some people passing by. So imagine these houses up here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
We got a little incline here, so let me be careful. When there is gravel, loose sand, that is called scree. So you should take small steps. That way you're stable on one foot. In case the other foot slips, you can stop, you know, move slowly, small steps, and then that can minimize your chance of falling. Okay, let's take another look. See how far we're coming out here. Another look at the coastline and the scrub brush growing on the hillside.